Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Avinashilingam University account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Avinashilingam University account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can choose any browser you like. I'm here with my Google Chrome browser. So after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Avinashilingam University login. And after searching for that option, you will come up to this page where you can tap on this first option which says student or parent login. So after tapping on that option, now you will come up to Avinashilingam login page, and over here what you can do is you can enter your username and password for your faculty login, or you can enter your roll number and password and date of birth for your student or parent login. So if you are a member of faculty, you should enter your username and password, simply solve this problem. Or if you want to log into your student or parent account, what you can do is just enter your roll number and password and then enter your date of birth. So I would like to log in into my student and parent account. So what you can do is just simply enter your roll number. After entering your roll number, you can enter the password. And after entering your password, now you have to enter your date of birth. And after entering your details, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your Avinashilingam University account. So if you have forgotten your password, you can easily reset or recover your password by tapping on forgot your password and then create a new password. After creating a new password, just come back to this page and enter this password over here. And after entering this password, and after entering your new password, what you can do is just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your Avinashilingam University account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Avinashilingam University account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.